Have you ever wondered how you can protect your windshield from getting sandblasted, debris damage, and rock chips? Well, stay tuned and find out. We'll look at the car, get the windshield film installed, obviously get it clean, got some bug guts on there. Yeah, super excited to try out XPEL's new windshield skin. This one's getting it, and then that one's getting it. All right, Porsche Cayenne, like I said, is also getting windshield film. We're also doing PPF on the hood, bumper, mirrors. So we got the moldings off here. The cool thing with XPEL is that I'll show you in the computer is that they actually give you patterns for the windshield skins. So you're never going to be cutting on the car. All of your edges are going to be very, very nice and clean. You're never worried about, because this has happened before, your blade accidentally slips and then you end up, you know, creating a cut mark and they got to start from scratch. So that'll eliminate all of that. The Z06, I just realized that it does have film on it already. I remember the customer pointing it out to us, but it's very poor quality. I think it's just complete garbage and trash. So it feels very, very thin. The clarity is horrible, and it's got what it looks like, almost like pitting in the adhesive. So we might try to go in the car and just try to, you know, get some of the defects from the inside. But anyways, this stuff does come off very, very easy. I feel like it did do its job on the previous video you've seen where I explained that this car came from Texas. It was driven here. But yeah, let's jump over here and show you the XPEL film. Perfect, here's the film. So this stuff comes in 48 inches wide by 50 feet. So when I ordered this, I was told I was the first one in the state of Virginia to get my hands on this. So got it quickly overnighted. So we have a few more cars coming in, Porsches, a couple Audis, so people that have been waiting what seems like eternity. So this stuff, it's got a cap sheet on it, so it helps with scratches. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, that's way thicker compared to the stuff that's on that Z06 right now. But yeah, we're gonna throw it on the plotter, get this thing cut out, start off with the Cayenne first, and then we'll knock out the Z06. I'm excited to see how this is gonna go. So what you gotta do, lock it, we'll unwind it, remove the cap sheet, cut it, and then we'll have it plotted out for us. I'll extend the edges for the Cayenne because after measuring it stops right where the moldings are. But this way we'll at least be able to tuck it. All right, so what I'm doing here is gonna quickly modify the pattern, extend the edges, driver side, passenger side. And that way we'll get better coverage. Like I mentioned, the trim pieces will go right over that and you won't even see it.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You'll wait to see if it's worth your while.
So a little bit of warm water because the shop is a lot colder right now. And the film, it likes warmth. It's like when it's a little bit warmer.
Just watch me.
Yes, what I'll do is I'll remove the old film. At least we got a clean windshield. Don't really have to worry about scrubbing it a whole lot.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove. Yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance. distance, no matter the hopes. Yeah, baby, I got
This is gonna get.
Is it more like
Сейчас, подожди-ка. It fell over. All right, so throwing film on the windshield. Let's talk benefits. So windshields are getting a lot more expensive, that's one. So installing film like this usually runs about 600 to 650 bucks. So not overly expensive. And factory windshields, right? Factory windshields will always be superior to your aftermarket. A lot of your aftermarket windshields will not have the same clarity. They will have a little bit of distortion, so on and so forth. And then plus, who wants to replace windshields, you know, on vehicles like these? You have the risk of leaking, water getting in, damage done around the, you know, body panels around here. So if there's anything that you can do to avoid it, keep your windshields protected, then this film by XPEL Windshield Skin is definitely the option that you want to go with. Clarity is excellent. Installation for us as the installer is great. And yeah, I mean, and it's in, you know, after the warranty expires, after you've had this film on for a year, it starts to look a little bit worn. You can just rip it off, put a new piece on, and you got, you know, a nice clean windshield all over again. And it's much quicker to do it this way than, you know, hitting up a shop to have a windshield replaced. You know, a lot of downtime with that. And like I said, this just is much more superior. And another benefit I forgot to mention was that it repels about 99% of your UV rays, heat. So it'll protect your dashboard. It'll keep the heat from coming in. Make your experience of driving a vehicle a lot more comfortable.